5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Welcome to Crafting with Cass. I'm Cass, and today I'm going to be showing you how I customized this denim jacket that I got from Goodwill for a little over $6. I really like the way that it turned out, and I like the fact that it's themed out with 4th of July theming. So basically, I tried to incorporate as much as I could for like an Americana theme so that it would look really good on the jacket. And so I'm going to show you how I achieved this look, as well as go over some of the materials that I will be using for this project. But like always, if you're not already subscribed, if you can go ahead and subscribe, as well as hit that bell notification so that you can stay updated on all of the other projects that I have lined up for the future. Because here I try to strive to basically create projects that you would actually like to incorporate in your home, wardrobe, as well as any type of outdoor space. So without any more further hesitation, let's go ahead and let's get right started with the materials that we will use for this project. So for this project, you'll need some beads as well as some American themed iron-on patches, some bleach, and some various kinds of fabric paint. And you'll also need an old upcycled denim jacket. So to achieve this bleach look, I literally just threw the jacket into the washing machine and added some bleach to it. And then I began to start distressing the jacket because the jacket was actually in pretty good condition. So here I'm using some fabric spray paint to add some design to the jacket. So the white fabric spray paint wasn't showing up that well, so I decided to brush on some fabric paint so that you could see it a little bit better. So here I'm just tracing everything over with some black fabric paint. So now that I have all of the different paint that I want on the jacket, I'm going to go ahead and start ironing on some of the patches that I got. And I actually forgot to film the collection of the patches that I got, but you'll see them on the actual jacket. So now I'm using some of the beads that I've used in some of my previous projects and just putting them on different areas of the jacket, like the arms and the collar, as well as on some of the front. So I also decided to brush on some white paint on the front of the jacket side panel as well. And here I'm just adding some more beads to the front side of the jacket. And I decided to cut the tag off of another pair of recycled jeans that I had stashed away, and to add that to the bottom of the jacket that I'm trying to upcycle as well.